The school community in East Portland is this evening begging the authorities for more public passenger vehicles to transport students of Happy Grove High. Commuters as well as bus and taxi operators are having a difficult time since road repairs started. Andrea Chisholm explains.
It's rush hour here in East Portland. Students of Happy Grove High being very unhappy, struggling to secure their spot in an already overloaded bus. Why? Public passenger vehicles are in short supply, especially the Scots Run to Port Antonio route. Work on the South Coast Highway from Port Antonio to Morant Bay has made it worse.
When they stop us on the road, the workman stop us on the road, they have to take too long to make we move off.
Get it already?
2 hour, hour and a half. By the one place 2 or 2.5. They done. They might take too long to start out the road. And right now it's a mess. I'm not gonna lie. It's a mess.
A mess because students are getting to school late in the mornings, sometimes just before lunch. They are also stranded in the evenings, getting home as late as midnight. Principal of Happy Grove High, Monique Grant-Facey, says it's taking a toll.
What we find is that at the end of the school day, we have students waiting up to after 5 hours after dismissal to get something to go home. So no parent would want his or her child to be there waiting on a transport which is not reliable. So we have lost a few students owing to this inefficient system.
PNP councillor candidate for the Fellowship Division, Colin Bell, made this observation.
A bus that leaves Happy Grove 2:30 after school ends in the afternoon, gets into Port Antonio now because of the road. Minutes to 5, 4:30, 5 o'clock. So they don't do the second trip that they would normally do, because on a normal case, when they left Happy Grove 2:30, they would be in Port Antonio by 3:30. Go back to Happy Grove and do a second trip. That second trip is no more. So we're calling on the government to replace that second trip with either the JUTC bus or subsidize some coaster or something of the sort to get the children to school and from school on a timely basis.
In a release, MP for East Portland Anne-Marie Vaz said on Thursday the National Works Agency will begin working on a different route to alleviate the challenges. Over $100 million has been earmarked for the project. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.